Today's recipe, Chinese chicken veggie spring roll. Oil 2 teaspoon. Chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. Chopped ginger 1 tablespoon. Stir and fry few seconds. Chicken 1 cup. Fry until change the color. Black pepper, a half teaspoon. Salt to taste. Stir and mix. Chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon. Green long beans, a half cup. Carrots, a half cup. Stir and mix. Bean sprouts 1 cup. Cabbage 1 cup. Some red bell pepper. Sliced onion, a half cup. Soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix very well. Add cornstarch mixture. Coriander leaf. Stir. Done. Let it cool. Making glue. Flour 2 teaspoon and water, then mix it. Spring roll pastry. Making roll. Chicken and veggies mixture as required. Roll up. Apply glue. Making another one. Done. You can freeze up to month. Deep fry. Fry until golden brown. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.